how to review products you wanted on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review products you wanted on Facebook Mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and here just go down until you find activity log, and go down again, click this one, look at actions and other activity, and then click this one, products you wanted. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and then see you in the next video.